Hi and welcome to our third module. In this module, we'll start diving into the code and learn the necessary basic coding skills. To remind you, this is practical learning. Therefore, you will learn to code while building the date picker. So, whatever we're going to learn, we'll do it without deviating from the main goal, which is building our date picker. And as we build this date picker, we'll stick to basics and you will see what comes out. Now, in the previous module, we designed this date picker and finished it. This means we don't need the toolbox anymore. So, let's close it. We also used the properties window to set the design time properties of our user form. And all is done. Therefore, we must also take it out now to create more space for our code. However, as we code, we would want to come back and see these values again. So, you must remember how to get it back. I showed you this in the first module. Now, before we dive into the code, let's talk about our side navbar. I call it a side navbar because it gives us a nice navigation for the worksheet modules, user forms modules, code modules, and class modules. This guy is not really a side navbar. It's a docked window. You can notice it by the close button right there. This window is called the Project Explorer. I'm telling you this in case you close it by accident or on purpose in order to have a wide view of your code. And I don't want you to wonder how to get it back. So, if you close it and you want to get it back, go to the View tab and then select Project Explorer. If you do that, it will appear where it was before. Okay, that's enough for now with the windows. Let's move on to the next important thing.